Hey guys, it's Nick with Smith Ford Strength and Conditioning. Today we have a new video. Very first video that I ever posted was the sideline clams, and I'll send you guys a link to that at the end of the video so you guys want to check that out. Today we're going to do an added progression to that. So the sideline clam is really focused on targeting the glutes, but I want to make it a little bit harder by incorporating the abdominals into that as well. Now your abdominals and your glutes are synergistic muscles. They work together. And so everybody needs a little bit of core training. You know, everybody talks about, oh, I want my core to be stronger. So implementing your abdominals, working on that lateral wall across your obliques will allow you to be a little bit more stable during your functional exercises, including running, squatting, deadlifting, whatever it is you may need to do in your everyday life. So I want to go over today just a variation of that sideline clam implementing a plank. So I'm going to show the variation where it's a little bit, it's like the easier version of it and then a little bit more advanced version of it. So the position that you're going to be in is exactly like you would be for the sideline clams, where basically I give you guys three specific landmarks to focus on. So if you're going to lay up against the wall, the heels of your feet, your hips, and your shoulders would all be in a straight line. But instead of laying directly on your shoulder, you're actually going to lay directly on your forearm like so. So you're going to put yourself in a side plank position, but everything else is the same. Now what I want you guys to focus on during this portion is actually the side plank. So in order to do that, you're actually going to bring your hips up and forward, almost like so. So I'm in a nice straight line right now, my hips are off. And now from here, we can focus on the clam portion of it, where we can open up. So when doing this, you guys can work up to 3 sets of 15. If you want to implement holds into that, basically as long as you can hold onto your forearm, because that will be putting a little bit of stress on your shoulder and also your abdominals being able to hold in that side plank position. Now the harder variation of that is actually where you're going to implement, instead of the clam, you're going to do the sideline abduction like I did in the second video, but you're going to be in the same position essentially. So by going onto your knees into the clam position, you're shortening the lever arm that's implemented on your abdominals, so there's less stress. So this is the harder version of it. Now instead of having the knees bent, they're going to be straight, but your landmarks are all still the same. Everything is focused on being vertical. So should look something like this. So feet are straight out like so. I'm coming up on to my elbow. Hips are coming up off the ground like so. And going here. Now, as you can see, I'm struggling. This one's really hard. I would start off with the clam version first. If you feel like you've mastered it and you can hit 3 sets of 15, you can implement some resistance with some TheraBand, or if you have one of Mark Bell's slingshots, that's another opportunity for you to progress it. If you feel like you've mastered that and you want to move on, you can move on to the second version of that. But if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to contact me. Sorry for the delay on the videos, new change. I'm actually living in Florida right now with the change of work. And but I'll be posting these more regularly. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.